Oberlo is the most user-friendly dropshipping solution for Shopify shops. AliExpress allows you to source millions of goods from the Oberlo marketplace and imports them straight into your store with a single click. Oberlo automatically fulfills orders when a consumer purchases in your store. All you have to do now is double-click in your order information and click the Order button. The goods are subsequently shipped to the buyer from the AliExpress dropping ship provider, regardless of where they are. Like any other business, dropshipping demands a significant amount of commitment and a long-term perspective. You will be disappointed if you expect a six-figure income from 6 weeks of part-time work. However, if you approach your business with realistic expectations about the investment required and your earning potential, you'll be less likely to be disappointed and quit. When it comes to launching a dropshipping business, you'll need to invest extensively in one of two currencies, time or money. Investing time in your dropshipping business, bootstrapping, and sweat equity investment are recommended approaches, especially for first-time dropshipping enterprises. However, we prefer this technique to invest a large chunk of money for a variety of reasons. You'll understand how the company works from the inside out, which will help you manage others as your company grows and scales. You'll have a thorough understanding of your clients and market, helping you make more informed judgments. You'll be less prone to waste money on tasks that aren't essential to your success. You'll learn various new skills that will help you become a better entrepreneur. The majority of people are unable to quit their employment and spend 6 months developing their new online store. If you arrange correct customer service and delivery schedules for your clients, you can get started with dropshipping even if you're working a 9-to-5 job. Depending on cash flow and profitability, you may be able to move to work full-time on your firm as it expands. Although every business and entrepreneur is unique, working 10 to 15 hours per week on your business can result in a $1,000 to $2,000 monthly income stream in as little as 12 months. Working full-time on your business is the best approach to boost your earning potential and dropshipping success if you have the time and resources. In the early phases, when momentum is critical, focusing all your efforts on marketing is highly beneficial. To replace an average full-time salary of $50,000, a dropshipping business will typically require at least 12 months of full-time work with a considerable emphasis on marketing, according to our experience. That may appear to be a lot of work for a modest reward, but keep those 2 points in mind. Maintaining your dropshipping business will likely require substantially less time than 40 hours per week employment once it is up and going. The dropshipping model's efficiency and scalability make a significant portion of your investment worthwhile. Okay, that does it for this tutorial. If you have questions, leave a comment.